Cnc slant bed lathe, model SL-3H, new in 1987. This machine features a 10-inch Kitagawa chuck. As you can see, the ways are in very nice shape. This Mori Seiki has a 10-station turret. We're running the spindle at 2,500 RPM. The machine has a spindle range of 40 to 4,000. 2-speed gearbox with a 20 horsepower spindle motor. Nice quiet spindle. This machine has a FANUC 10T control with BAPT programming. Now showing the BAPT side of the FANUC 10T control. This is an optional upgrade that's included with this machine. Chip conveyor. Thanks for visiting with us at Wigglesworth.com and viewing this Mori Seiki Cnc slant bed lathe. This is a great buy, a very nice tool.